Hi, I'm Santina with WTI. If you love DIY crafts like me, you're definitely going to want to check out this Solid Rose Gold scrapbooking paper book by American Craft Store. So this little book is absolutely perfect for DIY cards, scrapbooks, whatever projects you have in mind. I love the elegant papers that it comes with. So it has everything from these beautiful textured patterns to some shiny pages. There's some glittery pages. It has a little bit of everything in these beautiful rose gold colors. I have used them for anniversary cards. I think they could work really well for wedding cards or maybe some scrapbook for a special occasion. Overall, I've been really happy with the quality and the variety of paper in this book. So I hope you are going to love it as well. And that's my point of view.